So we just got the Super Honda stand all assembled with New Generation has come on board with this. So they're sitting at the back with their little stand. They didn't have one, but we thought it was best to group them with us. So we've got a, that's kind of a Honda, but it's not. One of the guys had to come with a replacement car. So he's brought his Copen along, which is really nice anyway. Also got 5th gen, my S2000 CRX on the end there. And we've got another S2000 around the back. You can see, which is a yellow one. In the yellow. It's been raining this morning, so some of the cars are still a little bit dirty. I think we're one missing, which is a 4th generation. He's trying to slot in a minute, he's trying to get in. But we've got 5th gen 2.2 VTEC here, another one. Nice registration plate as well. And then a 4th gen in a pearl white, which is an unusual one. You have a look at very close at some of these cars and you'll see that the CRX is absolutely immaculate. It's a shame the sun's gone in because you get the full pearl colour come out, but at the moment unfortunately we're dealing with a bit of rain and a bit of cloud.
Can I buy this one as well?
Yeah. Got some dodgy cells going at the back of a car here.
That one. Can we compare both?
Finally, we've got the 4th gen that's come in. Cal's arrived. Really like the wheels on this car. It's got a full Brembo brake kit going on there as well.